सध्या जगभर फुटबॉल फिवर चालू आसा. कालच फिफा वर्ल्ड कप स्टार्ट जाला आनी जगभरात इवन गोंयांत सुद्दां मोठ्या प्रमाणाचेर सध्या गोंयकार आनी खास करून फुटबॉल मोगी उमेदीन आसा आनी एक तरेचो हो फुटबॉल फेस्टिवल चालू आसा. आनी गोंयांत अशें म्हणटात की गोंयकारांच्या रक्तान फुटबॉल आसा आनी अशी कितलेशेच फुटबॉल फॅन आसा जे ह्या फेस्टिवला भितर खूब सेलिब्रेट करपा खातीर वेगवेगळ्यो गोश्टी करता. आज अशेंच एक तालिगांव आमी आयल्या आनी तालिगांव एक अशें एट्रॅक्शन जाल्लें आसा. अशें एका घरान भितर सगळ्या चारय वटेन वेगवेगळे जे फुटबॉल प्लेयींग कंट्रीज आसा तांचे फ्लॅग्स लायिल्ले आसा आनी लोक येतना वतना शूट करता आनी एक तरेचें एट्रॅक्शन जाल्लें आसा. आमी मुद्दम आयल्या हें घराचो ओनर आनी हें जें बरें डेकोरेशन केल्लें आसा त्या मनशाक मेळपाक आनी तो मनीस जावन आसा निकोलस फेर्नांडीस तालिगांवचो. निकोलस बाब वेलकम.
थँक्यू.
निकोलस बाब हो प्रोफेशनल फुटबॉलर, प्रोफेशनल क्लबांक हाजे पयलीं खेळिल्लो आसा आनी इवन अख्खी ताजी फॅमिली म्हणजे ताजी दोग जाण पूत आसा ते सुद्दां प्रोफेशनल फुटबॉलर आनी अशे तरेची फुटबॉल फॅमिली. आनी जेन्ना फुटबॉल वर्ल्ड कप जाता तेन्ना एक तरेचो कितें जाता
एन्थुजियाझम मोटिवेशन येता न्हू कितें करपाक.
हां
एक रक्तान आसल्या म्हणटच तुका ऑटोमॅटीक तें येता न्ही.
इट्स लायक अ फेस्टिवल फॉर यू.
नॉट ओन्ली फॉर मी. आय लायक टू क्रिएट म्हणजे म्हाका आमच्या वाड्यान न्हू अशें म्हाका कितें क्रिएट करून लोकांक एट्रॅक्शन कशें दिवचें अशें दिसता म्हाका.
म्हणजे एक तरेचो एटमॉस्फियर क्रिएट करपाक वता तालिगांव.
एक्झॅक्टली.
आनी येतना वतना लोकांक पळोवन एक उमेद येता की बाबा खरेंच फुटबॉल चालू आसा आनी तो एक हें तयार जाता. सो हें तूं केन्ना पासून करता अशें तरेचें डेकोरेशन वर्ल्ड कपाक?
डेकोरेशन हांवें केलें आतां हें म्हाजें 5वें वर्ल्ड कप. 4 आदली वर्ल्ड कप हांवें केलां आनी तितून पयलेच फावटी पळय केलें तेन्ना इट वॉज रियली प्रिमिटीव वेर इवन आय डिडंट गेट दॅट सॅटिस्फॅक्शन. ओके. एंड इट वेंट ऑन इम्प्रूविंग एंड दिस इयर इट हॅज इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट. बट इट इज नॉट दॅट दिस इज द एंड ऑफ द इम्प्रूवमेंट. आय वील डू थिंग्स इवन बेटर. सो this year I wanted to have cutouts, football trophy, and also have the screening of different games. So that might be possible, that might not be possible also because of the weather condition.
सो एक्चुअली तुका आनीक खंय एड करपाचें आसा. आनी आतां सद्या कितले फ्लॅग लायल्या तुमी हांगा?
All 48 countries.
ऑल 48 कंट्रीज तांचे फ्लॅग हांगा डिस्प्ले केल्ले आसा आनी पळोवपाक इतलें बरें दिसता हें सामकें. म्हणजे तुका मेजर अट्रॅक्शन जालें. आनी हाजे पयलीं तूं फ्लॅगूच लायतालो काय आनी कितें करतालो?
फ्लॅग लायल्ले गेले फावटी आमी फ्लॅगूय लायल्ले आनी सम डेकोरेशन केल्लें सगळ्या आमच्या लोकांक येवन एन्जॉय करपाक नाचपाक गेम पळोवपाक तशें केल्लें. दॅट आय वील डू बट एट द एंड कम्स नियर.
ओके. सो जसो फिवर वाडत वता जशें वर्ल्ड कप प्रोग्रेस जाता फुडें फुडें तशें निकोलस बाब आनी कितें हातूंत एड करपाचो आसा आनीक लोकांचो उमेद आनीक वाडोवपाचो आसा फुटबॉल पळोवपाक. इवन ताजे प्लॅन आसा की कटआवट एक इम्पॉर्टंट प्लेयर आसा तांचे कटआवट्स हांगा लावपाक सोदता. सो फक्त वेदरान परमीट करपाक जाय. पावस जर पडलो ना आनी मातसो कमी जालो आसा जाल्यार हें सगळें पॉसिबल आसा.
येस.
तूं आतां सद्या जे फुटबॉल ह्या वर्सा चालू आसा वर्ल्ड कप 2026
येस.
तुजी फेवरेट कंट्री कोण? ऑल 48 फ्लॅग्स लायले हांगा. वीच इज युअर फेवरेट कंट्री?
सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार एक्चुली फेवरेट कंट्री आमची ऑटोमॅटीक पोर्चुगल.
ओके.
ओके. आय थिंक 80% ऑफ द ओरिजिनल गोवन्स वील वॉच पोर्चुगल.
येस.
बट आमची फेवरेट जाली म्हणून आमी कितें अनबग कहें न्हू.
एब्सोल्युटली.
better team. Brazil is there, Argentina is there, then Spain is there, France is there. These are some good teams that can really make it to the final. Okay. Not that Portugal is ruled out, but if you go by the law on the scale of 10, Portugal, I would,
current trend.
Yeah, I would put Portugal at about 7 to 8.
7 or 8.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would put Portugal there.
So which is the most favorite?
And I hope I'm wrong.
Absolutely. We want Portugal to win the World Cup.
That's definitely. Whoever may say anything, it's in our blood.
Exactly. And there is some connection with Portugal.
Yeah.
And since India is not playing, naturally that is the nearest.
India is not playing. That is the most unfortunate thing that can happen to a country of 1 billion people. It's most unfortunate. And it's all because of our mismanagement at the top.
Okay.
See, if India wants to qualify, see, I have been wishing that India qualify. I have been wishing it for the last 20 years. But at least for the next 12 years, if India can develop, get a group of young boys in the age group of 8 to 10 and adopt them totally, their education, whatever their expenses, they adopt them and give them some that sort of training under a good coach. Why not? We cannot. If Korea, countries like Korea, Japan, and all
small
can
countries
qualify,
can
why
do
not
it.
we?
Absolutely.
See, we, in the Northeast, we have so many youngsters, and unfortunately, they are not. Their lifestyle is they are so poor that they are willing to do anything. So,
Right.
government must take care of this type of boys and see that we are in the World Cup.
Right. Northeast, Bengal,
Yeah,
Goa.
yeah.
These are basically
There
football.
was a time. See, I am a little bit disappointed with the performance of the Goans nowadays. During my time, there used to be 6 or 7 players representing India. Today you have hardly 1 or 2 or maybe 3, but there also only 1 or 2 are in the 11.
Oh,
So that's a pity.
so that means Goan football has going down.
Football, yeah. Northeast is really picking up. Not that I'm in favor of Northeast. I want my people to be somewhere.
What could be the reason?
The reason is that free lifestyle, once
Lack of seriousness, the dedication, no?
Dedication is not the same. Once you are in the age of 17 to 22, the parents themselves spoil the children.
हे फुटबॉला स्कोप ना म्हणून हे करता
No, yeah,
करियर म्हणून
yeah.
it cannot be as a career, cannot be taken up.
It could have been a career if things, if government had put in some inputs in them and shown them some interest where they could themselves generate the interest. So which is not there, which is like
So basic infrastructure has to be there.
Yes.
People have to be supported. They should
Yeah.
not be bothered about the future.
yeah, that's what
त्यांनाच
I'm saying,
तो-
no? Yeah. They should once you tap a player in the age group of 8 to 10 and you know that this fellow has got those qualities of becoming a top class player, adopt him now totally. Whatever is
Should take care of everything.
Everything of his, yeah.
तसं जाईना.
Diet, his health, his education.
Because sports is a very expensive affair.
Yeah,
You have to खूप स्पेंड करचें पडटा डायटाचेर ते फिटनेसाचेर बाकीच्या गोष्टींचेर सो तशें जायना.
No, that is not the same. If India can spend 1/10 of the money they spend on cricket, I think India can make it to the World Cup in 12 years. Just 1/10.
बरोबर.
But,
There's too much of
but-
stress on cricket.
Yeah.
And that
Okay,
is why
cricket is our game. I also follow cricket. I have
कोण
nothing
बाकीचे
against cricket.
गेम्स निगलेक्ट जाता
They
because
are,
of that.
they are made to die.
Ah.
See, sometimes when you read the papers and you hear a name, a person who has been India's captain is literally begging in the street. So then you feel so bad about it. See, like recently one footballer died. I'm not getting his name right now. He died as a beggar in Kolkata street. I mean, if this is a fate, how come children?
So we are not treating our sports persons respectfully and well.
And even people who are governing different various bodies are not chosen on merit. Now, if they were chosen on merit, you tell me
Correct.
one thing: how can Jay Shah be the chief of ICC?
Correct.
If
Political appointees.
Well, or political
That
appointees.
is the problem
Yes,
basically.
Yes.
Because they don't understand exactly what
Nothing.
sports requires.
They don't understand anything.
Ah.
Okay. Now there was a time when we had a coach called Joseph Ratnam in Goa.
Ah.
Now that man infused so much of good blood in the youngsters that soon after that you could see many youngsters flourishing. But today, hardly anyone.
आता तसे कसे
See,
कोचही
now
ना
we are hearing the name of, I of course wish him all the best and all the best for the future also. One name that we are hearing, 1 or 2 names like Listen Culasso and Brandon. I mean, these are the 2 boys who are now representing Goa. When there used to be 7, 8.
When we say that football is in our blood, then Goa should have produced more footballers.
Definitely. Our boys, they shine till the age of 20. And after that, suddenly they are not to be seen at all. Because they see there is no future in football.
So they take up some other profession and they
take up
leave
or
the
they start
sports.
working. Yeah.
Oh, so there has to be guarantee that they will get a job or something has to be done.
Yeah. Their future has to be made secure.
Secured.
Yeah.
And the government should do it actually. Only then things will.
Yeah. So government, the less said about the
That's a-
government is better.
Exactly. Exactly. So it's really bad and unfortunate that Goans are not
Yes.
going into the national level. And,
National, not only national level. See our performance even at ISL. See, firstly when we had that team, there was that euphoria everywhere. People were waiting for the game to happen in Fatorda. Today you see hardly a few thousand, not even thousand, I can say few hundred people there on the stadium.
Oh, yes.
That itself shows the death of football in Goa.
really, yes. Because even public are now slowly moving
Yeah,
away
moving
from
away because
football.
They don't get that quality which was given to them earlier.
Ah,
Yeah, you name some
Okay.
of the olden players. People are still, they get up. Some people even they get up from their bed if they hear those names.
correct.
Yeah.
So that type of players are also not there.
We don't have
The charismatic players and famous players.
See,
Only
like
then.
you go for example, a player like Dominic Suarez, Bernard de Souza, Andrew, then Gobro, Agustin. I mean, these are people, their names itself is to arouse that enthusiasm in you. Today it is not there.
So recent years we have not produced a hero kind of.
The hero and only fellow who is doing it is probably the Liston Colasso in Calcutta.
He's playing for
Otherwise,
them.
yeah. Otherwise in Goa hardly anybody is there who can be taken as a role model.
So what needs to be done basically if you want to improve Goan football and we have to come back to the old glory?
I will give you my advice, but I don't think
It will
our
happen.
present system will take it.
Exactly.
But the advice is that you have to selflessly give
Love for football. It's not your personal interest.
Give for the next 10 years and then expect. If you can do it, India can definitely qualify in another after another 3 World Cups. Definitely India can qualify.
So we have a potential
Potential is there. It is not being tapped.
not being tapped.
Yeah.
So hopefully things will change in future and maybe
I pray.
in our lifetime we will see India playing in the World Cup.
I pray that India, at least I hear the word India qualifies for the World Cup before I go to final destination.
Yeah, let's hope. And Nicola Bab is so committed and tajo enthusiasm about football we can see around how much efforts and how much love he has put in doing all this decoration and putting up all these 48 flags and hopefully this will create little bit of
Enthusiasm
atmosphere,
among the-
football atmosphere.
Yeah. I hope.
Look at
Wait. Yeah. People have started.
appreciate.
Yeah.
People appreciate.
There are many people who especially come in the night, do the photography and go. Yeah.
So किती टाइम लागलो करपाक हें सगळें
Time चड लागूंक ना, but planning
ते
was
सगळें
there.
ते print करून हाडपाक आनी ते सगळें
ना पायपां हाडची पयलीं
पायपां,
paint them and get the flag. Only the unfortunate part is that I could not get the flag printed on both sides. That facility is not there in Goa.
Okay.
So I had to print it only on one side.
झालं का? Okay. So only when you come this side you can see the actually the bright colors.
Bright colours
With this
is
size we
great.
can see, but little.
Yeah, it doesn't.
yeah.
I mean, it doesn't give that effect.
Yes.
But what
But
to do?
still-
there is no facility here. I would have done it.
आणि ते सारखे घराचे चारी 3 सायडीन लायल्या
Yeah.
फुल कवर केला
Yeah, yeah.
आणि सिन्स युअर हाऊस इज राईट ऑन द मेन रोड
yeah.
पीपल कॅन सी इट
Yeah.
वेल
Yeah.
सो थँक्यू निखलस बाब तुवें आमकां टायम दिलो आनी तुवें एक्झॅक्टली इंडियन फुटबॉला भितर आनी गोवन फुटबॉलान कितें प्रॉब्लेम आसा आनी कितें करपाक जाय कारण यू आर अ डाय-हार्ड फुटबॉलर you have given your entire life to football and that is why your words are very very important and hopefully things will change in future, and Indian and Goan football will get a very respectable place in the world.
I hope.
Thank you.
साखर करू तुझ्या.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.